Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the upcoming iPhone 16 lineup, which is rumored to be revealed in September 2024. Leaks and rumors are swirling around the internet, so let's separate fact from fiction and see what exciting features Apple might have in store for us. Aesthetics and design. There's a buzz about thinner bezels for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. We're talking potential 1.2mm bezel for the Pro and a crazy thin 1.15mm bezel for the Max, making them the thinnest bezels ever on an iPhone. Imagine a phone that's almost all screen. Pretty wild, right? The standard iPhone 16 Plus models might not see a design change, but the Pro models could be slightly larger due to the rumored screen size increase. We're also hearing whispers of a new capture button dedicated to taking photos and videos, which could be a welcome addition for content creators. Display, brighter but not smoother for everyone. The iPhone 16 Pro is rumored to boast a 20% brighter display, reaching a peak HDR brightness of 1600 nits. That's fantastic news for anyone who loves watching movies or browsing the web in bright sunlight. However, there's a slight bummer for standard iPhone 16 Plus users. These models might stick with the current refresh rate, meaning smoother scrolling and more fluid animations might be exclusive to the Pro models. This is because they might use Blitz panels instead of LiPo panels, which are needed for the faster refresh rates. Camera upgrades. Pro takes the lead again. The standard iPhone 16 might not see any significant camera upgrades, potentially sticking with the same 48MP main and 12MP ultra-wide setup as the iPhone 15. But the Pro models could be in for a treat. Rumors suggest the iPhone 16 Pro could be the first mid-size iPhone to get a periscope zoom lens, a feature currently exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This could offer significantly better zooming capabilities for capturing distant objects. Additionally, the Pro models might see an upgrade to a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a big jump from the current 12MP. Battery life, a potential boost. There's speculation that Apple might be implementing a new, more power-efficient OLED panel in the iPhone 16 series. This could potentially lead to longer battery life for all models. Specific battery capacity leaks suggest a slight increase for the standard iPhone 16 and a decrease for the Plus model compared to their iPhone 15 counterparts. The Pro Max might see a significant bump in battery capacity. Performance, a new A-series chip. Every year, Apple upgrades its A-series chip, and the iPhone 16 is no exception. These new chips are expected to be built on a cutting-edge 3nm process, offering improvements in both performance and efficiency. Whether the standard and Pro models will have the same chip or different ones remains to be seen. The Action button goes mainstream. Remember the cool Action button on the iPhone 15 Pro models? Well, it seems like Apple is bringing it to the party for everyone. All 4 iPhone 16 models are rumored to have this customizable button, allowing you to quickly access specific functions depending on your needs. Possible introduction of the iPhone 16 Ultra. There have been some murmurs about a potential iPhone 16 Ultra model. This would be a super high-end phone positioned above the Pro Max, potentially featuring even more advanced features and a higher price tag. However, most sources suggest this might be a couple of years away, so it's best not to hold your breath for this one in the iPhone 16 lineup. When will we know more? Apple typically unveils its new iPhones in September, followed by a launch around 10 days later. So if history holds true, we can expect to see the iPhone 16 series officially revealed sometime in September 2024. A word of caution: leaks and rumors. It's important to remember that these are just leaks and rumors. While some have proven accurate in the past, others haven't materialized. So take this information with a grain of salt and wait for Apple's official announcement to get the complete picture. Who should upgrade? If you're rocking an iPhone 14 or earlier, the iPhone 16 could be a compelling upgrade, especially if the display and camera rumors hold true. However, if you're happy with your iPhone 15, the upgrade might not be as significant. The standard iPhone 16 might not offer many groundbreaking changes, and the Pro models might be the ones with the most exciting features. Ultimately, the decision to upgrade depends on your specific needs and budget. Price and storage. Unfortunately, there haven't been any concrete leaks about the pricing of the iPhone 16 series yet. However, considering the rumored upgrades, especially for the Pro models, we might see a slight price increase. Storage options are also up in the air, but it's safe to assume Apple will continue to offer a range of storage capacities, possibilities that haven't been widely rumored but could be interesting twists. Asterisk under display Touch ID. While Face ID seems here to stay, some speculate about the return of Touch ID embedded beneath the display for an additional security option. Asterisk foldable iPhone. Though not expected for the iPhone 16, there's always the chance Apple might finally reveal a foldable iPhone prototype or tease its development. Asterisk USB-C port. With the European Union enforcing a USB-C standard, Apple might finally ditch the Lightning port in favor of the more universal USB-C for the iPhone 16 lineup. This would be a major shift and could potentially cause some frustration for people with a large collection of Lightning accessories. The iPhone 16 series is shaping up to be an exciting iteration, especially with the rumored display and camera improvements for the Pro models. While the standard models might not offer a massive leap, the potential for a battery life boost and the inclusion of the Action button could still be appealing to some users. Remember, these are just leaks and rumors, so stay tuned for Apple's official announcement in September 2024 to get the full picture. In the meantime, let us know in the comments what features you're most excited about or hoping for in the iPhone 16 lineup.